Hi, I'm Varsha Mukherjee. I'm 23 years old. I decided to get braces when I was 20 years old, like 3 years back. But I was apprehensive about, I'm getting braces so late and, what are people going to react to. Then finally, when I talked to Dr. Sharad, he was like, age is no bar. You can get braces at any time in your life. And then I opted for the semi-transparent, the semi-ceramic ones. Like the brackets will be the same color as of my teeth, but just one line of like metal. But it really didn't show most of the time when you smile. And I was very conscious of smiling. My teeth were overcrowded, they were crooked, and I couldn't bite properly. That was one of the major issues, like technical, functional issues of my teeth. So when I finally had a talk with Dr. Sharad and Dr. Meenal was also there, so they told me that it would take 1.5 years to get my teeth finally fine, like in a straight line. But obviously no one can predict how long it takes. And since I am like, if you're the more older you are, it takes a little more longer because your teeth have finally settled into a happy line. Anyway, so when I got the braces, it was a little painful, but otherwise things are pretty much fine. Once you get used to it, then in 15 days or something you start not really caring about it, and in a year's time you don't even know there are braces on your teeth. Like, people also don't realize if you get the semi-transparent or the transparent ones. So finally, after 2.5 years, when Dr. Sharad said you can remove your braces next month, I literally told everyone, okay, we're having a party, I'm going to remove my braces. But surprisingly, most of the people around you don't really look at your teeth when you talk. They look in your eyes. So if you're apprehensive about putting braces, you're thinking about your age, you're thinking how you look, you're thinking what people will think. Yeah, you might get 1 or 2 questions like, oh my god, so late you're putting and everything. But I don't think so you should care about all that, because in the end results are fabulous. Like, you can smile, you can laugh, you just feel so good about yourself. You look in the mirror. I have stared at myself in the mirror for half an hour after I took out my braces. So it was fabulous. I think so. Anyone who has concerns about their teeth or have technical problems, they can't bite, they can't chew properly, you should get braces at any point in life. And even if you're 35, you should just get them done. It just takes a year or 2 and everything is fine. So I would like to thank Dr. Sharad and Dr. Meenal for being so patient with me. There were some times I was like, oh my god, when is this going to come out? It's just there in my teeth. But then, they tell you, no, your end results are going to be fine. Don't worry. Yeah, sometimes you might be conscious about the gaps, when they take out your permanent teeth and you're like, oh my god, you have gaps everywhere. But no, they close by. And things are really, really great right now. So I'm very happy, and thanks a lot. I think so you should go for it if you're thinking about it.
Thank you very much, Varsha. Thank you very much.